Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect your battery and limit the maximum charge at 85% on Samsung phones. So to protect your battery and limit charging to 85%, just go to settings and here go down and we have here battery and device care. Tap to go inside. Now tap on battery and go down and we have here more battery settings. Tap again to go inside and here we have protect battery. So to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. Just enable this feature and now your battery will be charged at maximum 85% and the stress is reduced and the battery can last longer. So this is a cool thing on Samsung phones. I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.